In the bustling landscape of India's democracy, the introduction of electoral bonds in 2018 marked a significant shift in the framework of political funding. These financial instruments, resembling promissory notes, have been designed to streamline the funding process, making it more efficient and potentially more transparent. However, the road to transparency is not without its bumps. Legal experts have raised concerns about the anonymity these bonds provide to donors, potentially undermining the very transparency they aim to promote. The debate surrounding this issue is as vibrant as the Indian political landscape itself. In the heart of the matter, the Supreme Court of India found itself in 2019, hearing a petition that put the legality of electoral bonds under the microscope. The claimants argued that these bonds, by allowing anonymous donations, violated the principles of transparency and accountability, cornerstones of any democratic system. After careful deliberation, the Supreme Court declared these bonds unconstitutional, thus altering the entire framework of political donations. This verdict was a significant turning point in the history of electoral funding in India. In light of the Supreme Court's decision, the use of electoral bonds in the Indian electoral process has been discontinued. This momentous change highlights a necessary equilibrium between the need for effective political funding and the imperative for transparency and accountability as India navigates the complex path towards a more transparent and accountable democracy. The legal aspects of electoral bonds, now declared unconstitutional, continue to play a pivotal role in the discourse. The debates, discussions, and legal challenges surrounding these bonds add new dimensions to India's vibrant democratic process. In essence, electoral bonds, a fairly recent addition to India's political funding layout, have provoked a powerful blend of legal, ethical, and political discussions, culminating in their declaration as unconstitutional by the Supreme Court. Their path, characterized by Supreme Court rulings and public dialogue, affirms the progressive nature of India's democracy. India's pursuit for a more transparent and accountable democratic process remains ongoing, not a final destination. In this continuous process, the electoral bond stands as a noteworthy milestone, a sign of the ceaseless negotiation between the ideals of transparency, the practicalities of political funding, and the complexities of legal frameworks.